Yes, dear children, come on, let us continue. The active voice and passive voice. Active voice and passive voice. As I told you in the previous class, we constructed passive voice or passive voice constructions does not or passive voice constructions while we can construct without by plus agent. Without by plus agent also we can get passive constructions. Okay, see there. The uses of by plus agent, can be omitted if sense is clear. If sense is cleared. For example, you see here, I will give you one example. The cat kills the mice. The cat kills the mice. Okay. Here, listen, before we going to change the active voice into passive voice, this is active voice. Which is the subject here? The cat is the subject. Okay. Which is the verb here? Kills is the verb here. Okay. Which is the object here? This is the object. Before you going to change the active voice into passive voice or passive voice into active voice, you should classify or identify which is the subject in that sentence, in that given sentence, which is the verb and which is the object, like this. If you make like this, really it will be easy to change active voice into passive voice. Dear children, this is passive voice. This is active voice. Imagine, this is active voice. Okay. The cat kills the mice. Apply the rules. Apply the rules. Apply the rules. See, active voice object is changed into passive voice subject. Okay. This is passive voice. Active voice object. What is that active voice object? The mice. Take the mice. The mice. The mice. Okay. Here, helping verb must. Helping verb must, because passive constructions always takes helping verbs. The mice. Here, how you can decide this is, whether it may be singular or it may be plural or it may be past tense or it may be present tense, means tenses decided by the verb only. Tenses decided not by the subject, not by the object. Tenses decided by the verb only. That is why verb is main, very important in sentence. See, that is why in last class I told you we can create or construct a sentence without subject. We can create or construct without object also, but we can't, we never and ever we can construct a sentence, whether it may be a simple or a big, without verb. That is why verb is more important. Verb is more important. Here verb denotes the tense. Verb denotes the tense. Whether the sentence is in passive, whether this sentence is in present tense, whether the sentence is in past tense or whether the sentence is in future, the verb only decides. See there here, kills. So that kills. This is main verb. Main verb kills. So this is present tense. Kills present tense. Killed past tense. Okay. Kills present tense. This is present tense. The subject is plural. The subject is plural. The mice means mouses. Mouses. Okay. Mice means more than one. Rat more than one. Like this. The mice. Galu. Plural. See there. This is plural. Subject is plural. Verb is present tense. So, subject is plural. Verb is present tense. Present tense plural helping verb are. Present tense plural helping verb are. Present tense plural helping verb are. The mice are. Whether it may be V1 or it may be V2, it should be changed into V3 as I told you the previous class. So, killed. See there, if you write like this, the mice are killed. No, sense is not clear. That is why for this type of sentence, by agent, by plus agents are very necessary. Important one. By whom? By the cat. By the cat. Okay. See there. Object is changed into subject. Helping verb according to tenses be used. See, this is also present tense, this is also present tense. That is why if active voice is in present tense, passive voice is also should be present tense. Okay, that is why tenses should not be changed. See there, the cat kills the mice. The mice are killed by the cat. See, this is also present tense. Active voice is also present tense. Okay, see there. War. Killed, whether it may be V1 or it may be V2, it should be changed into V3. This is V3. Killed by whom? By plus agent. By whom? By the cat. So, the mice are killed by the cat. Like this, children, this type of sentence by plus agents are important. See, we also have without by and agent also. See there. The use of by agent can be omitted if the sense is clear. Here, sense is not clear. That is why by plus agent is important. We use this here. See there. How? Come on, let us discuss the remaining sentences. They built this bridge last year. This is active voice. They built this bridge last year. See there. This bridge. They built this bridge last year. They, subject, built, verb, this bridge is object. Okay. Yeah, this is extra. Okay, last year. Okay, you can consider this one. This bridge was built last year. This bridge was built, past tense, built, was built last year. Need not necessary buy them. Need not necessary to buy them. Need not necessary to use by plus agent by them. In the same way, see there. He broke his leg in an accident. He, subject, broke, verb, his leg, object, in an accident, extra. See there. He broke his leg in an accident. See there. His leg. This is PV. His leg broke, past tense. So we can use past tense singular helping verb. Was, his leg was broken. Broken V3. Whether it may be V1 or it may be V2, it should be changed into V3. His leg was broken in an accident. Need not necessary to use the by or agent here, because sense is clear. How his leg is broken? His leg was broken in an accident. Sense is clear. Then why you should by plus agent here? So in these type of sentence, the use of by and agent can be omitted. See there. Next one. People always admire honest men. People always admire honest men. See there. honest men are plural, subject plural. So that is why plural helping verb. Honest men are always admired. Need not necessary to use by them. Need not necessary to use by them. By plus agent them. Okay. That is why sense is clear. If sense is not clear, we have to use by plus agent. When sense is clear, need not necessary to use by plus agent. See there. Next one. You must write the answers briefly. At the time of examination, your invigilator will going to, or your subject teacher in UT and all those things, they will going to give instructions, some instructions. You must write the answer briefly. You must write the answers briefly. See there, the answers must be written briefly. By you, need not necessary to hear. By you, need not necessary to hear, children. By you, need not necessary to use by plus agent. See, the answers must be written briefly by you, by them. Need not by us, need not necessary, because sense already clear. The answers must be written briefly, means sense is clear. Okay, see, the fire burst. The fire burned down all the houses. The fire burned down all the houses. See there, all the houses were burned down. All the houses were burned down. By the fire, is it necessary? Huh? Is it necessary? All the houses were burned down by the fire. Is it necessary? No, need not necessary. So, in this type of case, in these cases, we can omit by and plus agent also. See there, next one. We will discuss this matter tomorrow. We will discuss this matter tomorrow. If this type of sentence will come in your exam, at that time what you will going to do? If you know how to change this type of sentences, you are easy to do. Otherwise, you will going to face the problem. See there, we will discuss this matter tomorrow. The matter will be discussed tomorrow. The matter will be discussed tomorrow. Discussed, V3. The matter will be discussed tomorrow. We will discuss this matter tomorrow. This matter will be discussed tomorrow. This is the passive constructions. Like this, children, I know you have some another examples also. You don't worry, I will give you now. Please be here. I will give you some other examples also. Okay, let us continue the same thing with other examples. Okay, children, thank you.